So today we're going to find out if swapping the steering wheel on your Volkswagen Atlas for a paddle shifting steering wheel will actually work without any additional coating. Stay tuned. Back here is the hole where you're going to be putting in the screwdriver. Okay, so that actually worked for that. So I can get it on the bar and then pop it off. Alright, now, before I go any further, pop the hood and take the battery off. Okay, we've just disconnected the negative terminal on the battery. The car doesn't start, nothing works, verified. Just give it 5 minutes for kind of any leftover draw in the system to clear itself. So far what we have here is an airbag removed, except for the cable. What we see behind the steering wheel is a yellow connector with a white release tab, and we've just got to pull up on that white release tab. So I've got this little tiny screwdriver here, and that's pulled up a little bit. Maybe this thing comes out. No, that's it. It's time to release this button. Let's see. It's coming out on its own. Yep, see? Nice and easy. Now don't forget there is one more plug right there that connects the buttons. And this one is a typical Volkswagen plug. So let's take a look at the airbag for a second. On the back here, you have these metal tabs that I pushed in before. So this is the lever you're pushing in with that screwdriver. So you have to be able to get on the bar with the screwdriver. I ended up, after trying a whole bunch of bigger, stronger screwdrivers, going back to the really skinny one, because it was able to get behind in between the dashboard and the wheel, and then also skinny enough to reach into the top section here to be able to push down on it. And then you know, you just push down and sort of wiggle it out, and it should wiggle free. Oddly enough, there's actually a marker right there in between the two 8s that I'm going to use to line up with that. So today we're using this M12 external socket. It'll say M12 on it. Adapter here. Come on. Why aren't you locked? closely here, there is a separate line on the steering column itself to align the new wheel to where the old wheel was. That's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to take this off and I'm going to align that as such. So this is the wheel almost installed. We've got, that's pretty perfect, I think. That's right on the money. Splines are on there because you can get it to move. The center connection. So the splines seem good. Now it's just a matter of putting this bolt back in. Always go left until you hear it stop. Oh. Gotta make sure you're level too. There it is. I think that's it. All right, guys, I'm putting it back in. It's a moment of truth here. Whew. First thing, connect the buttons. The airbag didn't explode, so let's see if it actually works. All right, let's see, moment of truth. Oh, yes! It works. It works. All right. This is really cool. Oh, what happened? Oh, I wasn't in the shifting modes. Now I'm in the shifting.